Hi guys, today is the 14th of July. So we're gonna have Euro Australian dollar analysis, and it's going to be similar to Euro New Zealand, okay? So there is not gonna be really much difference. Anyway, so first of all, we forecast the Euro Australian dollar to drop 500 bips minimum, okay? It could be more. So if we look from 2017, the euro was really down, so the central bank had some interest rate movement and stuff, and there was like bullish momentum in the euro. At the same time, the Australian was going down, so we've had a really uptrend, very strong uptrend. It did move from 1.37 to 1.65 almost. Then in this area we've had the euro coming down a little bit, then it didn't move much, then the opposite did happen here, then it's coming back down. Okay, so this is the weekly from down up. Okay, you can see this was the highest level, so we are 1.650 now, this 1.6500, so there's 500 bips only between this one and the highest for long time. And this 1.60 resistance was really strong resistance for long time as well. Okay, so this area is a massive resistance, so every time the price is gonna go up here, it's gonna get pushed back. Okay, what's gonna happen now? Is gonna go up again or is gonna come down? This is coming down for sure. Why? First of all, let's look. This is a trend line here. This is another trend line coming down. We forecast this way. We don't expect to come all the way down, but it's gonna come quite a bit. 500 pips minimum for sure. Okay, so they're gonna play in this channel right here. Let's see, look at this one. What is this blue thing? This is the euro index. So at that time, 2017, the euro was going up. Okay, it did come to the top here in February 2018, and the euro started coming down. But at the same time, the Australian dollar was coming down. So there was no really much trend, because both currencies are coming down. The indexes in both currencies coming down. The Australian dollar and the euro both coming down. So you can see the price was just ranging here in this, in this area. Okay. However, this area over 500 bips. But now, what we expect, the euro actually about 4 or 5 months ago, they were more bullish. They were saying maybe they're gonna increase rates and in spring of 2019 or so. Then they pushed it maybe summer. Then they said, you know what, we're not gonna even increase rates, we may even do a rate cut. Okay, so the euro is gonna get weak, so we expect the euro to come down. Okay, at the same time we expect the Australian dollar to continue up. Why? Because the Australian dollar already did 2 rate cuts, so they're not gonna do any more cuts, so it's gonna go up. Okay, so the Australian is going to be really strong. At the same time, the euro is going to be really weak, so we're going to expect a really strong downtrend in the euro Australian dollar. Okay, so this is going to come down fast. It's going to come down crashing. Okay, so here, if you guys go with like head and shoulder, so here we go. So we have the left shoulder, the right shoulder, and this is the head. So we just have this neck broken at 1.6050, and everybody just gonna go massively sell, because this is a strong support level as long as we're at the top. Once this is broken, then this is gonna be a resistance. So under we come here, we may get something like this. So we may get something like this. It comes down a little bit, it goes back to do a retest, then just to crash down 500 bips. Okay, so this is a really good sell. Don't worry, this is not gonna go up. Okay, this is coming down. Even if it does go up a little bit below here, it's not gonna even reach this right shoulder at 1.6250. so this is coming down 500 bips. So if you're a swing trader, if you're going for long term, this is really good trade. So this is Euro New Zealand. It's almost the same. There's no really much difference. A little bit of difference, but not too much. So we also expect this to come down like 500 bips. Okay. So if you sell Euro New Zealand and Euro Australian dollar and you hold your trade for like 3 weeks, we expect 500 bips, so 1000 bips in both of them. Okay, thanks guys. Please, if you like it, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and share it. Thank you. Have a good day.